What is your concern here?
My concern is, okay, we get the prostitutes. That one will be a shower. Fine. Now their price is high. First, they are taking 20 Ghana and then 10 Ghana. Fine. Now we don't get some again.
Why? How much are they charging now?
Going to 50 Ghana, we don't get money. We don't get money.
But you are saying you don't even find them. Where have they gone?
They are around, but 50 Ghana, I don't get 50 Ghana to give them. So I have to do something. We for reduce or find something for us.
So you have been enjoying yourself with them?
For them, yes. When they accept 10 Ghana, it's better. Fine.
But the economic situation is also very bad. That's why.
But it will be okay. It will be okay because of